Yes, sir. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. Today, we're going to do a 4K in-depth unboxing review on the latest Nike Dunk Low Tartan Plaid. And I feel like this sneaker should have came out around Christmas. You got the red hits, the green hits. When you add the black, it probably should have came out Black History Month. But we got this last Friday, I believe. I secured it off Nike.com. Not the sneakers app. Nike.com, the Nike app. And remember a couple videos I told y'all, you got to look careful with that Nike.com because they be having some steals and deals and some exclusive sneakers that only come out there. Like, believe it or not, guys, I finally secured some Black Panda lows on Nike.com, the Nike app. Crazy. But today we're here to talk about the Tartan Plaid. They came out in high top, and the lows are better. It's like the lows are always the better dunk, and that's with everything. So we're going to get into a full in-depth review of this. But like I told y'all in my last video, I'm bringing back what's on foot. This is when you tell me, go down in that description below, comment section, and let me know what you got on foot when you catch the video. It don't matter if it's next week or next year or tomorrow. Just let me know what you got on foot. Clogs, Crocs, socks. Just let me know. Today I got on the Dawn C Jordan 2s. And I decided to put these on today because if you remember, last year we got Union 2s and Armand Maillet 2s, and 2s tried to make a big comeback, but I feel like Dawn C did it the best, and they just look soft like a leather couch, man. So I went with the Dawn C's. In the comment section below, you let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video, and let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So the box comes in your regular Nike Dunk box, which is like light red or dark orange. Nike was so disrespectful, as you can see what they did to my box. But you don't wear the box, you wear the sneakers. It reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, white, black, white. Which is crazy, because I know I see some green in here. Let me make sure these are the same. You looking at the same? Yeah, I don't know, but it doesn't show that. And you get the regular box. And here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low Tartan Plaid. So let's start with the toe box. White toe box, but that PRM really means PRM. You know you're going to get that nice leather when you see PRM in the Nike Dunk Low. So you got a nice white toe box, but they go to plaid. First you get the green plaid. I'm telling you, the sneaker screams Christmas. And it's that nice material, canvas material, or like a plaid shirt. It does feel like a plaid shirt, guys, but I go with canvas material around it. And that's in black and red hits, lines around the green. And that's all the way there. You see the green gets lighter and darker. Now you come up to your shoe lace lids, and then that's where you got gray on both sides. And it looks like a Burberry look because you got like line also plaid inside the gray. The green comes back in at the top of the shoelace stash. And then as you get to the back, you get red and black and a bread colorway. And y'all know I love this Nike logo. I know it's original OG, but I just like it. And that red, it really pops on top of that black. Speaking of the black, you get a black swoosh there, leather, just like the Pandas. So you got like a Panda look sneaker with plaid on top at the end of the day. Like a reverse Panda, but the leather is nice on this swoosh, man. The bottom, instead of going with a gum look, they went with like a, I want to say like a gray. It looked like a mint look, but I think we could go with gray cream. It's like, that's a funny color down there, guys. Y'all be the judge. But from where I'm standing, it looks more gray cream. But it's a real dope look, man. Especially if you're going to rock this with a plaid shirt. The inside has a red Nike logo. I forgot to tell you about the tongue. You get your regular mesh tongue. The back of the tongue is gray, so I believe this is gray because it looks like it adds up. You got gray here, gray on back of the tongue, and then gray in your sock liner. So I'm gonna go with gray at the for the bottom of this because the inside is also gray too. But you get a black and red Nike tag on the tongue. Regular mesh Nike Dunk tongue. Should have been an SB though. This is the right shoe here. Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. I really like this gray look in here, man. But overall, a dope sneaker. Yes, sir. So in the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. The sneaker is clean, guys. Very clean. I forgot to show y'all up here. It has like holes you can cut out yourself to put more holes for the shoelaces, which is dope. Now I tell you the good, I gotta tell you the bad. I feel like these shouldn't have white shoelaces. With these nice red or this green or this black, it should have been like a red shoelace situation. The white is just too settled, man. You need the shoelaces to pop more, so I would definitely go with like a red shoelace with this. But overall, man, the quality is A1. Besides my box being beat up, the quality on this sneaker is A1, guys. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Again, on feet today, I got on the Dawn C Jordan 2s. Let me know what y'all got on feet when you catch this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.